Because it's March and it's prime seed starting time, I'm going to make myself a seed sorter to help with the process of planting my seeds. I've always wanted one of those tools that I see people use online. It's a plastic sorter, I guess you'd call it, and put the seeds in the tray and it kind of like shakes out one seed or two at a time. But then I saw online someone who actually made their own, and can't remember the name off the top of my head. I'll show it down below. And it seemed like such a nifty tool and very simple to make on your own that you don't need to really spend any money on it. So I'm going to show you right now what it is I've built.
Starting with a 6-inch long piece of PVC pipe. This is the thicker walled pipe, the scheduled 40, not the 200, which is the thin wall pipe. I start with this 6-inch piece, and then as you can see, I cut off about 4 inches, but cut down about 3/4 of the way through the pipe, so that I could create that little dispenser trough, I guess you'd call it. Then I narrowed sanded down the tip of it just to have it come to a point so that you could use that to really pinpoint placing the seeds into your planting hole. I wrapped the end in blue painter tape just to give me something better to grip onto, so I wasn't holding onto the slick plastic PVC. The PVC elbow is then fitted onto the end, and it's just a friction fit, not gluing it onto it. And then you fill it up with your seeds. Now this works really well with really tiny seeds like lettuce, like I just put in there, or carrots, and holding it in one hand and then using the other finger to just tap along the where I have the blue tape. You can see it allows the seeds to march down that tube, and then you can really get just one seed at a time popping in if you want it to be like that exact. You can go 1 seed, 2 seeds, whatever, but it works really well in getting those seeds, and because it comes to a point and you can place that point right over your planting hole, you can easily get the number of seeds that you want into your hole in a precise manner.
So that's all it is, a piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe about 6 inches long, and an elbow, PVC elbow, and I use a little tape just to allow it to grip, because I got some Vienna sausages for fingers. I used my cutoff tool. It's an air-powered tool, and that was only because it was quicker than breaking out my hacksaw, but a hacksaw could work just as easily to cut the PVC pipe. Just take you a little bit longer, that's all. And as you can see, there's it's not a very pretty cut. There's some rough edges. I could sand it down and all that, but there's no need for all that. It's just a simple, it's just a tool to use to help me plant my seeds a little bit easier, particularly those small ones like the lettuce seeds, and that my fingers being bigger makes it difficult to use. But I imagine anybody could use it regardless of their finger size or the size of the seeds, although I guess a pea or a bean seed is not going to be necessary. But it also helps you put back in the pouch too. All right, it's just a quick video, so if you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd already do so, and hit that alarm bell, and that way you'll be notified right away when videos like this are posted. Okay, thanks for watching.